Kokaita kantuko ikuminendero waliaro siasa cia Kirimara no cietete na mbere kuringa biongo bia nteto nyuma ya bunge bwa Mount Kenya skwithira nende baitumiria ntuko Jumatatu ya kiume kithiru ati ne baciathulite kuma Kirimara no cieta Mount Kenya East ati nende munene wake thari Professor Kithure Kindiki burabo athiatireni ya bunge bangi nabo rongo na banana barabethire bakiro atambaru Kithure Kindiki utwika mwaria wa Kirimara nturabo wetene wo kithariri thoro utune kinyaka yuko kirethirikari kureta mirandi ya witi na mbere rwari rune ndeni ruthirite rukioneka kwathurana Kirimara ati kathiati barais Uhuru Kenyatta baraba kuonekana kwatambaru Professor Kithure Kindiki na rutere rungi naruo rukiwatambaru munini wa rais Rigathi Gachagua na yabarato kwiro ni Phineas Imana patho cia Kirimara rei kethiri kierekera rutere rwiko kaitenekana kwa MCA pantere cia Kirimara barethira baitirima na kiri county ya Murang'a ntubara bonekanite nende kwithira bukereta muthutire munene muno kisiasa ndene ya Kirima kiu
Kirimara kwa miaka kirikieni kia siasa kitoneka kugaukana na kithagira kiwatene amwe na bakinyandebene barigi ntu kimwe notinkanja kura cia Kirimara nicho nendi chithera cia kamatauri tobura bunene kirikona nwaga twika mutongeria uandeguru na kura wembia kwenda kwa kiotongeria bu no mwanka gambia mwari Kirimara bukatha ende ya mwana kwethirwa kiwatene kwa miaka nendi konekete mpathu Kirimara ki kukionekana ndi Mount Kenya East na Mount Kenya West na kiri mpathu inendi munini wa rais Rigathi Gachagua kioneka kutharikirwa bukatha mathina yake yakioneka kwambiria itarire thirite akendikithakia one man one vote one shilling ende kutathuki muno riu nonto atungiria barutere rwa Mount Kenya East baingi nibonekane ndi kwatugambi bombaru
uteti bubu kubwa kugamba iganwe na one man one shilling one vote one man one vote one shilling hiyo naunga mkono 100% and we have no apologies utekuga sorry about that
amona bo kwebo bambirite kwithira bakithima siasa iyo karaya kau na kona niya kureana na riendikiria ri
formula ya one man one vote one shilling inabadilishiwa Senate. Ikitoka Senate wanakaa chini na commission inaitwa CRA, the Commission for Revenue Allocation. Hiyo commission iko kwa ofisi ya naibu wa rais ni wa hapa Mlima Kenya.
Na nendi kwethira kinya kwina muchemanio yu Limuru 3 yurayonekane kureta mpathu bunene cia Kirimara.
Watu twi Mount Kenya East tutikwenda stories ya witwa Central Kenya nontu inyaro babararite na ntu ba Mount Kenya West ibendele na agenda yao lakini ni kwa selfish ni kwithe bati bara negative
ringi nyuma ya muchemani yu Rigathi Gachagua kioneka kuteterwa na kurikana atari na njara akiriyo
no hiyo ni siasa ni polonjo museme jojo atukete funded na ndina imani president wetu wakana Uhuru Kenyatta na no kwa nwe bara twikirie kingpin kuringana nabo muneno wao wewe gwitwangania anganembi hiyo ni haki yao
ende manto ya luka na konekana indi siasa cia kumeneria Gachagua ikiringwa akirikana kwenda kwathurana Kirimara.
Tumeungana, mimi sijaona tukiwa na any difference na kina Kimani kutoka pande ile nyingine ama watu wa Nyeri ama wa Murang'a.
Ana kwamba watu wa mlima, mimi si mtu mlima, mimi ni Mmeru.
Mimi natoka kwa mlima Elgon.
Tuko chedra gita na mbere na ruarua abunge barutero Mount Kenya East abunge nkurukie 10 batrimanira county ne ya Embu na kayoka mwe bagora bakwendikithia twikala ingoyo ni Professor Kithure Kindiki bukioneka watura bunene Kirima kiu.
Justices from Mount Kenya East, and on behalf of our people, we have unanimously agreed that the link between us and the executive is Professor Kithure Kindiki.
Mbere ya tiri thire kima maila abunge bangi 48 bethira baitirima na ntere chanya ururu na kwata untobombaru bakiela burumpione Rigathi Gachagua.
Given the prevailing state of affairs and the urgency of the mission ahead, there is need to have a link that will create a nexus between us and the national executives on matters development. Accordingly, we as elected leaders from this region and its diaspora on our own behalf and that of our people, unanimously resolve that our link to the national government to be the Cabinet Secretary for Interior and National Administration, Professor Kithure Kindiki.
Nabo MCs bakuma Rutero Kirimara bairinga kibarana kuwa kinyoba inorito na riube kagikaro kenne kinyabo batumiria mwerekerayo ende ba bedra nindi bakioneka kurea kuatanira na mugambo yumwe
aji kukua free. Nobody said that. Hey boss, you will give your opinion.
But give them the correct version of why we want. I am Joseph Jeru Ngara MCA. No, wacha kuja sema yake.
MCAs bakuma county ne Chenyeri, Kiambu, Nyandarua na Kinyamuranga bakioneka kurea kwanirwa na riu kumaruka muchemanio neyo. MCAs bakuma Meru, Isiolo, Tharaka Nithi na Kinyembu bakiwa hapa nyuma ya Professor Kithure Kindiki.
Strongly believe Professor Kithure Kindiki, given opportunity, can transform even this country. So we want to urge our brothers from the other side of West to support our son so that our son can transform this region and can put us together.
Muchemani yu yokerekana nindi yurethirite ogita wake na kwaria kwa tambaru Rigathi Gachagua ende bainge MCAs bakirana na untubo chicho.
Lakini ile agenda tulitua jana si agenda ambayo tumeikuta leo kwa meza. Kwa sababu huyu speaker kwanza wa Embu na ni rafiki yangu ametuzungusha hivi akatuzungusha, lakini end result anataka tuelekee pale tu mahali ya kuendorse Kithure Kindiki.
Akoro bajuri bethira bakiwa kinyabo batenge nao tu nyuma kisiasa hii. Akoro bajuri ncheke iretungeretwe ni Adriano Aruyaru baikinyana mangiriyo na kwa tambaru Kithure Kindiki ya mutungeria wa Mount Kenya East.
Professor Kithure Kindiki ethere hai mutongoria wetu wa Mount Kenya East urawa tuile Lairamando ke president ethere ili kiyeto ke president ethere endrasha yetu to akinya to kaunda to akinyila president wetu.
Na mutongeria wa kuroba kanjo kumembu akiuga mpadhu na utoma Kindiki njira ya bunge kona ni abatena inya kinya kidira ibaringero kura kurwamira mukenya iyaka batena inyeu
ambunge acio mari kuo ni maronania matena wigiririku mwega wa utongoria ucio ni undu wa mbere. Wa kairi andu acio twamathurire na makivirwa thiini wa National Assembly nigetha makorogwe makiaririria andu akuria maumite.
Na kigikaro kia the Assembly okulukira mutambo yo X rairero rwithirite rugithe kuna mbere rungura Wero TV mwario mwewa kuma rutero Mount Kenya West ethira akiwa buraba ingeba Mount Kenya East batengenda wikwa mwario arambere kwethira akiwa werune na kinyati kwilila aterutereru iroro na mbecha na kinyakurira nyingi na Gachagua no welaingo.
In the last 10 years as a senator, what was his contribution? So there's no issue about this. All these problems are being brought by Kimani Ichung'wah and the company. And they all thought that it would be easier to do it with Rigathi. But let me remind you as I wind up, a man who rose from a DO to become a PA to a sitting Minister of Finance and a confidant to a president is not a pushover. So that lecturer should watch very well, because we in the west of the mountain, we have the money and we have the numbers.
Na sio vitisho.
Sio vitisho ni ukweli.
Phineas Imana, Garo ya siasa, Kirendeto, Chawero.